This is an instructional video for the lathe pictured. Please observe all safety guidelines, including use of guards. Select the proper collet size, thread on your spindle receiver, tap in your collet receiver, and then align your collet keyway with the key inside. Insert your stock, and then you will thread in the drawbar to tighten up the collet. This should draw in your work, tightening your stock. Our next work holding device is a 3-jaw chuck. With the 3-jaw chuck, you must tighten each of the 3 jaws. The 3-jaw chuck brings each jaw in at the same time, centering your work for you. This is the carriage feed wheel, the cross feed, and your compound. Here we have your Aloris quick change tool post. Your tools can be easily switched in and out. For a facing operation, you must lock the carriage. Use the specialty wrench provided. In a facing operation, feed the cross feed hand over hand at a steady pace. Before making a measured cut, touch off on your work. Loosen the set screw and set the collar to 0. Now you can make a measured move. Remember that you are using an indirect reading crossfeed. If you wish to reduce the diameter by a certain value, you must cut that number in half. As an example, if you wish to reduce the diameter by 100 thousandths, you would move the micrometer collar 50 thousandths. On your tailstock, you can unscrew your quill to remove tools. To insert a new tool, feed your quill stock out and rotate tool until it locks in. Using a spacer, you can give your tool a quick tap to make sure it's seated. There are 2 levers on the tailstock. The larger lever locks the tailstock in place, and the smaller one keeps the quill in place. Before drilling, use a countersink to center your work. As you begin to drill, watch the chips. If the chips are not coming out, back out of the work, and then slowly come back in until you see chips feeding out of the flute. When attempting to tap a hole, please consult the tap drill chart shown. Lining up your tap size and your pitch will help locate your tap drill. To prepare for a 1/4-20 bolt, you will need a number 7 drill bit. The number 7 drill bit is used frequently and is color-coded blue. You should find a blue marking on it. This video is intended to supplement previous classroom instruction. Please ask your instructor if you have any questions. Please use all guards and observe all safety measures, including tying back your hair and avoiding loose clothing.